Hi sewing friends, I'm Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel. My channel is called Murr-Made Designs, and I've challenged myself to show you 365 days of sewing makes, and this is day 137, and it is day 6 of our 7-day capsule wardrobe. If you have missed any of the previous days, I will attempt to link them in the description box, and or you can just search day, I think we started on day 132, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137 today. Yes. Yeah, so I don't know about you, but I have been having fun with this. I really am hoping you enjoy it. I'd love to hear in the comments if you'd like me to do this again sometime. Just remind you of my high-tech picture. We have taupe, cream, khaki, hunter green, rust, and a shot of pink in our colors. Two toppers, 3 tops, 2 bottoms. And today I'm going to show you the cream colored topper. I would call this a soft jacket rather than a cardigan. And the cream, I think, really pulls together the tan and the pink. I think the pink draped collar really complements this jacket. Really kind of stands out with it. I've tried to include different kinds of sleeves, different kind of necklines, to kind of give this capsule wardrobe some variety. So the pattern that I used for this is a tried and true one. NewLook. It's so tried and true I can hardly read it anymore. NewLook 6735. This is a gooder. This is a pattern you need to have in your stash of patterns. You could make a capsule wardrobe pretty much from just this one pattern. So this cardigan here has a tie belt. It has no pockets. I would have added pockets, but I had 0 material left. I made this from 1 meter of eggshellbeige, polyester, lycra, damask, jacquard, double knit. New York designer. Price $3.30 a yard. I bought 1 yard. So this jacket cost $3.30 American, because it's from Fabric Mart, which is an American online fabric store. So with the exchange and everything, I might have paid $6 for this jacket. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of got a raised pattern on it. It's kind of cream on white, and I think it goes very well with my pants and my top, and it would go very well with the green turtleneck. It would go very well with the skirt. And I think you could easily change it up too. I put buttons on it. They are really beautiful kind of, just turn my light down so it isn't shining on it so hard. They've kind of got grooves in them, cream colored buttons. So you can button it. I got to tell you about a little trick I did with these. The pattern says it does not call for any interfacing in this this band that goes around the neckline, and that's good. I think if it had interfacing, it would kind of take away from the feel of the garment. And but it says when you put the buttonholes in, it suggests that you put some interfacing, like just a piece underneath it, and sew your buttonhole and then tear off the interfacing. Well, what I use is tissue, as in Kleenex, as in that you cry into kind of thing. Much cheaper. Pull out a piece, put it under, make your buttonhole. It tears off, super duper easy. It's a stabilizer, basically is what it acts like, but it is a very cheap stabilizer. So I have buttons that I put on this. It called for 3 buttons, but I had 4 buttons, and why waste a button? So I put all 4 buttons on there. And I put, the pattern didn't call for, but I put fisheye darts in the back, because I do think that this material, although it's soft, is got some body to it. So this makes kind of a soft jacket. And I thought the fisheye darts in the back kind of added to the shape of it. And it just has a machine hemmed bottom, machine hemmed cuffs, and you could change this up. It comes with a belt. It suggests you just put in thread keepers, they're called. So you could wear the belt with it, and that would change it up. So that gives you more options for making it different for your capsule wardrobe. And if you have other belts that you would like to use, I have a belt on. How many belts can you wear? I should have not had the belt on my pants, but so you can put thicker belts on it to change up the look. And that is definitely one of the fun things about capsule wardrobes, is accessorizing. Different ways to make it look different without having to invest in another garment piece. You could this pink drape collar, you couldn't wear a scarf with this, but if you wore this with the green turtleneck or the rust t-shirt sweater, is that a word? You could definitely wear a scarf with it as well. So yeah, I think that's fun. And if you don't have that pattern, some other ones I would suggest is Allie and Mac's Be Mine cardigan, which it's kind of got a gathered bit on it, so it's got kind of a nice long drape. You kind of a duster length cardigan, to kind of mix it up. So this one is downloadable. It is not free, but let's see. It is $4. So that's pretty cheap. If you went with some of the other free patterns and splurge $4 on this one, your capsule wardrobe really isn't too expensive yet. And I also think you could make it out of NewLook 6482. They have this cardigan duster that comes with this pattern, and I don't know if you can see, yeah, So you could make it more like a duster with your capsule wardrobe. So that gives you kind of 3 options, and I'll give you one more twirl. So we have day 1, the pink drape neck cardigan or t-shirt. Day 2, the tan pants, and day 6, the soft jacket. And I can't wait to show you day 7. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.